Putting these three guys under the scope. What's really behind the labels? So let's go.
Okay, guys, first up is Coca-Cola. Here we go. So, there's some bubbles right there, of course. Ooh, what's this? That is either a hair or could be a long fiber. Let's bump this up to higher magnification to take a look at this. Okay, looks like more like a wire now. We are at 100x magnification. Look at the tail on that bad boy. There's some debris right there. Could be shards of plastic. A little debris right there. And all around it. So there's a field right there. Let me move across the slide here for you guys. And mind you, this is taken from, I bought this Coke bottle last night, so it's not that old, and it was in the fridge for a while. Let's go and close this slide, and we're going to move over to Pepsi. Okay, guys, welcome to Pepsi. Let's take a look. Right there, a lot of bubbles and some debris. Got some fiber right there, or could it be a hair? Who knows? Looks like fiber to me. Again, it looks pretty much close to Coca-Cola or Coke. I'm seeing a little less debris than I did with Coke. Going to 100x. Okay, same thing. Looks like a field of, not too bad. I mean, there's plastic, there's bubbles, of course. Moving quick here, guys, so yeah, let's continue. So what is that? I think it's a bubble behind it. We have some debris, of course, plastic. Let me zoom in on this guy. That perfect little circle, it's a CO2 bubble from the soda. So, under a microscope, bubbles don't look like bubbles from the side. They appear as circles with rings because light bends around the air liquid boundary. So what we're seeing is like a bright center, which is light passing straight through the bubble. It's a dark ring, refraction, where the liquid meets the air. And it's a blue-purple edge, which is a chromatic aberration from the microscope optics. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. Let's go ahead and change slides to Mountain Dew. Here we go. Okay, welcome to the Mountain Dew slide. Let's get the slide moving. There's a bubble, of course, right there. Looks like we have some little debris field there. Plastic, looks like. Let's go ahead and change magnifications. Okay, 100x with a Mountain Dew slide. Again, searching, and looks like we got a bunch of still debris, which can be plastics, and there's our infamous CO2 bubble. And again, it looks pretty much the same as the other two slides, except for there's a little bit more, a little bit more fiber and plastics in these objectives, the slides.
Okay, so welcome back. Now, you all have seen the three samples, right? Nothing too crazy, nothing too wild, but I'm going to take a sip out of one of these that I think, personally, is the cleanest. This one. Pepsi. Cool, refreshing. Number two, the next cleanest, was Mountain Dew. Ooh, man. Okay, the third and last one, of course, to me, was the dirtiest. And that was Coke. Coca-Cola. It has a lot of debris in there. Okay, guys, before you go off on me in the comments, these are plastic bottles, so regardless, those are the findings. Next video, I might put a moth under the microscope. And oh yeah, check that out too. All right, guys. Peace.